Hello class. Today we're starting a whole new genre of books that we're going to be reading this week. Remember that word genre? That's kind of a weird word, but it tells you what kind of book it is. And we've talked about fantasies, the genre of fantasy. That means it cannot happen in real life. It's made up stories, maybe with magic in them or characters that can't really talk in real life. And we've also talked about realistic fiction. That's a story that's not true, but could happen in real life. The genre realistic fiction, a story that's not true, but it could happen in real life. This week we're going to be talking about drama. Elements of a drama. Let's read right here. A drama is a story that is written so it can be performed by actors for an audience. So if you've ever gone like to see a play and there's really people up there and they're acting things out and you're watching, that's called a drama. What are the parts of a drama? The dialogue is the words the characters speak. The cast is the list of characters. The setting is when and where the drama takes place. Remember, we've talked about setting before. In any story, setting is when and where the story takes place. It's the same for drama. The setting is when and where the story takes place. The characters are the people, animals, or things in the drama. And the scenes are the parts of a drama. A new scene usually starts when the setting changes. So we're going to read a little drama here together so I can kind of show you what I'm talking about in a minute. But these are just the basic things you need to know about a drama. There's going to be dialogue. That's the words the characters speak. The setting, we already know that, when and where the story takes place. The cast is the list of all the characters. So when you first start reading a drama, there's going to be a list that tells you every character in the story. The characters are the people, animals, or things in the drama. And the scenes are parts of a drama. The parts of a drama. A new scene usually starts when the setting changes. So right here, let's look at this. Oh, not that. Right here. A genre study. Dramas are stories that are read and performed. So we're about to read this little story in just a minute called Disappearing Daisies. I'm going to read it to you and we're going to talk about the different parts of it because it's a drama. But first, I want you to click onto the next slide, and you're going to fill out this little thing. It says, make a prediction. Remember, a prediction is when we're guessing about what's going to happen in the story. In Disappearing Daisies, Brandon and Taylor have a brand new case to solve. You know that dramas have characters, dialogue, and a setting. What do you think this drama will be about? So, before you do anything else, I want you to go to the next slide, make a prediction, and then keep going on the next slides, and we'll continue.